Hi and welcome to Deepa's Creative Flow. Where am I? We're still on the same day, so I'm just doing a few videos to just catch up with junk journal July. Let's get it right. So this was the bouquet that I did, or the bouquet, whatever you'd like to call it. And it was inspired by Natasha from Treasure Books. Yeah, Natasha from Treasure Books. So I can tick that one off. Way. And then the next prompt says wallpaper. So my friend Mel, hi Mel, she works at EI. Oh, I can't tell you actually. Sorry. She worked in my old team. Yeah, and she gave me a lovely card and present as when I left. But she also knew that I collect, well, I did arts and crafts and I like to upcycle and things like that, and they'd ordered some wallpaper samples in the post, and she was like, rather than getting rid of them, she thought she'd give them to me. So we've got this gorgeous like paisley inspired, it's almost like you know, the Mendy style, like it's very cute design. And then there's this geometric one. I'm wondering if I could use this in the geometric quote. And then we have this like smooth, like flowing lines, that kind of thing. So so this envelope, which was part of the Pink Zebra UK junk journal starter kit, not done anything to it. So I was thinking maybe I could add some corners, and then maybe fussy cut some of the I really quite like the paisley. Maybe I could fussy cut like some of this out and then add it like this here. Should we see how that goes? And if it doesn't go, then we can go back to square one, I suppose. But to start, maybe you could just have like these, possibly these corners, or even like if I take off a whole line, and then that can be our border, if that makes sense. I probably won't even need that much because it's got silver as well, so maybe this will work. So I'm just going to cut just along this line as a guide, just from this point, and then maybe we could use it like something like this, like on the edges. It could work. I really want to leave like a slight, unless I do it on two sides, that will still work. Yeah, because I want to leave a little bit of the baby blue coming through if I can. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm just gonna add, or should I just add it to this? I don't want to waste that. Right, I'm just gonna add some of this ATG 700 Scotch glue gun, which is a dry adhesive. I'm just gonna do some lines here. Right, just pull that in. Just gonna apply the silver bit on the outside. Yeah, I'm just gonna tear that for now, and then silver bit on the outside. Yep, we're good. Oh, let's get the triangle similar to the other side if we can. Right, I'm just going to cut the excess off. Let me just see if I can do this without ripping anything. Just cut the excess off here. And then this as well. A little bunny, so cute. Or hair, bunny hair, whichever. Right. Oh, needs a bit of glue. Oh, it dries so quick. I dab a bit of glue on this lid and it still dries so quick. Okay, that's too much. Try and smear it. This is where I should have used some glue when I did this washi. Hopefully that's all good. So yeah, oh, that's changed it a lot. It's lovely. I just add the glue here, the edges. Just to doubly make sure that, because this is going to keep going up down, so just triple check this adhesive down. Lovely. Okay, so the inside, yeah, let's fussy cut. Which section can we use? Quite like, just wondering how much do we need here. I know I don't need loads and loads, but shall we try, let's just try this section first, and then we can go from there. I'm just going to go roughly so we can get it out and then go nearer. Let's just go in close to this one. It's a lot of that paper to work with. I'm just going to put this to the side. There we are. And then let's just go in, finishing off this. There's some really cool wallpapers out there, isn't it, at the moment? Absolutely gorgeous. Well, that's ripped there, so let's just cut in and that. Right, let's see what that looks like. Excuse me. Oh yes. Oh, what a perfect fit. What do you think? Brill. Absolutely brill. So we can still put stuff in the envelope. I'm wondering if I should use some of the wallpaper to... I quite like that blue though. We'll see how we go with that. Just wondering if I wanted anything else here. Just to set it off a bit. Or not. My goodness, look how much it's coming off. I think it's on the wrong side. Oh, never mind now. No. Oh great, I've got some marks now on there. That's alright. You know what, I might just... Should I just distress the whole thing now? That's... Unless I just use the actual... I'm just going to use this to bring out the envelope. Oh, sorry for that. Right. Goodness. Okay, so now I'm just going to glue back at this. think some of it will have to get cut off, but most of it will be on the page, which is awesome. Grand. Oh great, I've got some red on there as well. So if we make sure this is butted to the, then we just cut one side then. Oh, glue everywhere as well. Oh, it's because there's red on my hands, that's why I'm getting it everywhere. Oops, dropping stuff as well now. Lovely. Just rub that off. Right, just going to cut off this little bit. Fab. Okay. Yes, Ruby. No, we've got a physio called Ruby at our work, and she says fab to everything. So I've started saying fab a lot. So I've had quite a few days where I've gone out with her. She's cool though. I can't believe she's leaving. She's going to be leaving to go to London. So yeah, I think everyone's going to miss her. Right, so that is our wallpaper. Should I do anything else to it? I don't think I will at the moment, you know. Could add a gem or something on there. But no, I'm pretty cool with that. So we've got the wallpaper prompt, which is this and this. Have an absolutely great day and take care, and see you next time. Bye now.